everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we are opening the Love with Food tasting box. So this is what the box looks like, super cute. So I feel like I haven't opened this one in a while. Maybe I'm wrong, but I really do love this subscription. So this is a subscription that has multiple options. I get the more affordable one. This one, the tasting box, is about $7.99, I believe. They also offer, well, did I even tell you what it's about? So I think I'm getting a little ahead of myself. Love with Food, I mean the name probably gives it away, but Love with Food is a healthy snack subscription. So every month you get snacks sent to you, so you get to try them out, and if you like them, you can purchase them, usually for a discount on their website, so that is super great. What I was about to get into is that they have multiple subscription options. I get the tasting box, which is about $7.99 a month. They offer a deluxe box where you get more snacks. I actually have a referral link that will get you 40% off that box if you guys are interested. I of course will link that down below. It's a huge discount. I think it's normally like $19.99, but you can get it for like around $11 or so with my link. So that's a great deal. You get a bunch of snacks. They also often offer a gluten-free option, so all your snacks are gluten-free. So that is amazing. All of the snacks, no matter what, are like pretty healthy and a good way to get your nutrients in a flavorful, yummy way. So I am super excited to see what's inside. Again, that will be linked down below. Let's get started and see what I got this month. When I open up the box, this is what I see. Oops, already dropped something. It says, make life delicious at Love with Food. Yes. And I don't think this one comes with a card. I see like there's some paper in there that's like, sometimes you'll get like coupons for things and stuff like that, but there's not like a card that I see that tells you all of the information. But when you subscribe, you have like a login page and stuff on their website, and you can actually like rate your snacks and stuff there and get all the information on the website as well about these snacks and much more snacks too. So check that out with the link down below again. But let's start with that thing, the first snack that fell out when I was opening the box. This is a fruit bar. This is by Hadar, 100% fruit bar, and this is made with raspberry. It says grab and go, gluten-free. Awesome. I love stuff like this. I think yesterday I had a fruit bar. So let's see. So this is made just like apple puree concentrate, apple and pear and elderberry, and raspberry and lemon juice concentrates. So it's pretty natural fruit, and it's only 45 calories, so that is nice. So I love little things like this. It's a great snack. It's low calorie and it's healthy. Ooh, this next thing looks so good. I love stuff like this. This is by Popcorners Flex Energy Packed Protein Crisps in the flavor barbecue. Each serving has 10 grams of protein and it is only 90 calories. This is plant-based protein, gluten-free, never fried. Awesome, awesome, awesome. This looks amazing. 90 calories for this whole thing. I love barbecue flavored stuff too. On the back it says, Popcorners set out on a mission to make snacking better, different, purposeful. We know you work hard and you want snacks that do too. So we created Popcorners Flex Protein Crisps. These flavor-packed, air-popped crisps combine soybean and cassava, fueling you with 10 grams of plant-based protein to give you the extra energy you need to seize the day. Awesome, I love this. And that's a good amount of protein for just a little snack. Nice. Ooh, the next item looks really good too. This is by Nature's Garden. This is Cranberry Health Mix. It says this is heart healthy, may reduce the risk of heart disease. It's 160 calories and you get 450 milligrams of omega-3, so that is great. So here's what the packaging looks like. That looks really good. And let's just see. So the ingredients are cranberries, walnuts, raw almonds, black raisins, golden raisins, raw pepitas, unsalted peanuts, and raw sunflower seeds. This sounds awesome. I used to love pepitas so much. When I was in Chicago, I lived by a Whole Foods, and I would just get like a bag of them from like one of those like pull machines they have. This sounds awesome. I'll totally eat this, yes. I'm so excited, you guys. I haven't had like a Pop-Tart in literally like years and years and years. For a while I was vegan, I'm not anymore, and then it just like didn't seem like a healthy option, but I think we just got a healthy type of Pop-Tart. This is called Smart Tart, and this is in strawberry chia. It has 8 grams of protein per tart and 180 calories, and this is by the Smart Co. I'm so excited to eat this. A little too excited maybe. Did I get a little too excited about a Smart, or like a Pop-Tart alternative? But it says nothing artificial inside, no high fructose corn syrup, no artificial flavors or colors, no preservatives, protein packed, natural flavors, soft baked and ready to eat. I can't wait to eat this. I'm like starting to sing almost. When I get like super happy and excited, I start like singing, and I do not have a pretty singing voice, so sorry about that. Ooh, this looks good too. Ooh, it's an almond coconut flavor. This is G2G, like got to go, is that what it means? Protein bar. It has 18 grams of protein, wow, 4 grams of fiber, it's gluten-free, has essential fats, no preservatives, and is naturally flavored. Again, the flavor is almond coconut, which sounds amazing. I can't wait to eat this. I'm just curious, how many calories? So there's 300 calories, but this could be like a meal replacement. So it says, we hope you enjoy our nutritious protein bars. Look for them in other delicious flavors. It's manufactured in a dedicated gluten-free facility, so that's awesome. Cool, I'm excited to try this out. Oh, what is this? This is by Park Kodiak Cakes, protein-packed bear bites, frontier graham crackers, and the flavor honey. It is crafted with 100% whole grains, it's non-GMO, and has 5 grams of protein and 120 calories for this entire pack. So this is what the packaging looks like. And it says, oh cool, so they give back. The Grizzly Bear and Wildlife Foundations. We're committed to keeping them frontier wild for future generations. Your purchase helps us support foundations that protect grizzly bears and other wildlife habitats around the country. Oh, that's awesome. So cute. And then there's one more food item in here which I will not consume because I'm a vegetarian. This is the Tillamook Country Smoker Original Smoked Meat Stick. So this is what it looks like. I have like a bag of these. I need to figure out what to do with them. Someone said you can't just drop off snacks at food pantry things. I had to look into donations, but I'll just show up with a bunch of like meat stuff. But yeah, or you can find a friend to give this to. But if you're into this, it's real hardwood smoke, no artificial ingredients, made in the USA, 100 calories, contains beef and all that. So yeah, and then there's some other things in here like a $100 wine voucher. Wine. And then I was about to like start talking about my evening plans. I feel like I always just want to like keep chatting with you guys, but I'm just gonna chat. Tonight I'm going to this place called Hamilton Social Club, or is it just Hamilton Social? But I've been to one in Chicago and I didn't realize there's one in Naples, so I'm going there tonight. I don't know if I'll have wine or what I'll drink, but I'm definitely gonna have a cocktail tonight, and that just reminded me of it, so that'll be fun. Oh cool, there's a little thing here by Simply Straws. Redeem your free straws. So there's a coupon here to get a free glass straw. If you guys saw my video, well, it was the day before I filmed this. It was my Good Vibes Scribe video. I got a glass straw and I talked about how I am all about that. So this says you can redeem your coupon at simplystraws.com, and it has a value of $7, and you get a free reusable straw, which I am so excited about. I'm totally going to take advantage of it. This just added a lot of value to this box. This is pretty much the value, $7. Sweet. And then the last little thing here is about kids protein, pack picky, delicious organic nutrition on the whole. So this wasn't in here, but I guess it's just some advertising about a protein shake for kids though. And I guess it's available at Costco. So cool. So I think this is a good one. There's one item I can't eat, but that's okay. I can have everything else. And I'm so excited we can get the free straw. But the food, all the other food besides that meat stick, sounds amazing. We have like the graham crackers, the bear bites. I'm super excited about this like protein packed barbecue pop chip type thing. Protein bars are always good to have. I like to have the stuff like when you're really hungry and have no other options. Like it's always good to have a protein bar, or if you're working out afterwards. Okay, you guys saw my excitement about this one, the Smart Tart. I am so excited about this. And strawberry chia, that flavor sounds so good. And 8 grams of protein for just a tart, that's pretty good. So yes. I always like having little fruit bars. It's a nice, easy snack. And this is a great snack too, the Cranberry Health Mix. So super excited about that. I think this was a great month. Again, this box is $7.99 and they offer other subscription plans as well. So check out their website below. And again, you can save 40% using that link. So yeah, you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. What sounds the best to you? Oh my gosh, I want to eat it all, but I'm going out. Like I said, I'm going to eat too when I go out to the Hampton Social Club, not just drink, so I'll have to try and wait till tomorrow to enjoy these goodies. But anyway, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!